Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com.
If you have been looking for the most spectacular view of the Caribbean Sea, here it is. This gorgeous 5 bedroom, 4.5 bathroom villa with a nice pool and a separate board cabin is located in the upscale community Hillside Villas in Culloden by the Sea, Whitehouse, and offers a sensational, unobstructed 180-degree view of the south coast. It sits on 0.52 acres of land. The main building contains a powder room, spacious open concept living and dining area, with modern kitchen and laundry area, with 2 exits to the veranda, with full ocean view and the pool. The upstairs master bedroom and bathroom boast a separate veranda with a stunning view of the turquoise waters of the Caribbean Sea with coral reefs in the distance. 2 bedrooms with shared bathroom on the main floor with private veranda, and 1 bedroom apartment with full kitchen and another separate bedroom on the lower level complement this amazing villa, offering a perfect home as well as the option for income with Airbnb or long-term rental. The stairs to the side of the house leads to both rooms on the main as well as the lower level, and the landscaped garden with tropical plants, mango trees, and the board cabin, perfect as workspace or accommodation for a living caretaker. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this villa is US 695,000 or Jamaican $111 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.